Losing on legal, legislative, and policy turfs, Islamo-leftists are down to their old tactics. The tactics of cutting out clips, pinning blame on civilisational warriors, and threatening them is now being applied on renowned Supreme Court advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain. Hello and welcome to TFI Post. I'm your host Paurish Gupta. If you like our content, do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share as well. The unexpected boomeranging of stone pelting is not something masters of Sambhal stone pelters would have expected. 5 writers were killed in an attempt to stop law enforcement agencies from executing their constitutional duty. Despite former Darwari media trying to incriminate police through YouTube channels, security forces have come clean. After around half a week, propagandists have come to realize that it was victims' own mistake and they got burned by their own flame. Even radical Islamic portal like The Wire is also calling them dead, not killed. But the old habit of not taking responsibility does not go. Now they have been hunting for the person on whom blame can be pinned. You know it's a legal dispute, so obviously advocate has to be blamed, and for this purpose they have historical reason to do so. 38-year-old advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain is now being hounded for doing what Constitution expects him to do, which is to protect the unprotected. Jain is one of the foremost legal minds in the country. Considered as dharmic warriors, Jain and his father Hari Shankar Jain are one of the finest legal practitioners who did not fall into the trap of big money, wokeism and false idealism projected by those who misuse constitutional morality for their own nefarious gains. His legal career had auspicious start through involvement in iconic Sri Ram Mandir case. The junior Jain never looked back from there, and why would he? Vishnu Shankar Jain drew inspiration from his father Hari Shankar Jain, who indeed got the warrior mentality from his mother. Senior Jain's dedication to the cause can be understood from the fact that he refused lucrative offers during his struggling days, simply to help Hindus in claiming right to worship on the birthplace of beloved Bhagwan Ram. According to information available in the public domain, both father and son together are contesting more than 100 legal cases concerning equal rights for practitioners of Hindu Dharma. These include reclaiming Hindu heritages through Gyanvapi case, Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi case, Qutub Minar case and Taj Mahal case, among others. To ensure smoothness in these matters, they are also challenging legal hurdles like Places of Worship Act, Waqf Act and also the word secular that was forcibly inserted in Constitution by Indira Gandhi. The father-son duo has shaken the ecosystem in such a way that when Vishnu Shankar Jain went to assist the court-ordered survey in illegally constructed Sambhal Mosque, he became main target of Islamo-leftist cabal. Several ex-users tried to pin the blame on the surveying party, including Jain, and accused them of chanting Jai Shri Ram slogan that according to them was provocating to the Muslim mobs. This is further from the truth. Firstly, chanting Jai Shri Ram is one's fundamental right, and if someone protests over it, then problem lies with that person. Secondly, it was not a protest. It was a violent mob ready to go to extreme of humanity. Nothing else explains use of women and children. Few netizens like Salman Nizami, spokesperson of Democratic Progressive Azad Party, said that Vishnu Jain is responsible for the bloodshed and demanded for him and others on Hindu side to be punished. For what? Somehow this blame game did not bring much takers, so the stalwart Akhilesh Yadav was brought forward. Former UP CM, who is often accused of minority appeasement, posted a photo of Vishnu Jain going to survey. Yadav then wrote, and I quote, "When will the pictures of those who started the riot and those who were the initial cause of violence be put up?" Unquote. Thankfully, the comment section was filled with people proving him wrong. However, such blatant ignorance of fact by irresponsible people who lost power due to being hooked up to false projection of secularism has now put life of Vishnu Shankar Jain in danger. Jain revealed that after Sambhal violence, he is receiving constant death threats and made no bones about the fact that Akhilesh Yadav and media cell of his Samajwadi Party are responsible for this. We have seen this playbook before. Warriors have raised their voices and were silenced by those who believe in barbarism. For women like Nupur Sharma and Kajal Hindustani, both death threats and cancel culture were applied. On the other hand, people like Chandan Gupta and dozens others were killed. Many more are on the hit list of Islamists. Seeking restoration of Sanatan values, symbols, temples and gurukuls is the ultimate truth hunt one should aim for in Bharatvarsha. Our constitution does not stop anyone from seeking truth, but there is an ecosystem which seeks to inhibit it. The numbers around destroyed temples is so huge that few thousand advocates would be required to dedicate their lives around the litigation to restore their original character. Yes, such is the pathetic state of affairs. Jain father-son duo is one of the biggest inspiration for it, which is why they deserve every protection from society and government. Long live truth and end to diabolical ideologies which poisoned our generations for decades.